This is USB ATSC DVB-T modulator. This is power amplifier. This is DC 5 voltage ground, power supply, antenna, UVC CVBS grabber card. We will combine two components with PC and let your PC become a CVBS module, CVBS input ATSC modulator. This is UVC CVBS, it is no driver. This is USB ATSC DVB-T modulator, it neither install the driver. Now you just plug it with PC, and plug the power, and you can let your PC become CVBS input ATSC modulator. UVC CVBS grabber card, plug it with PC. This is USB ATSC modulator. Antenna put the high location. Front power. Now open your software. You can see the two folder. One is the driver and the software. Another is N cable. N cable is for UVC grabber card. Copy to your desktop. You can see the blue screen. And then plug your CVBS source with your grabber card. CVBS source with your grabber card. See? Play. Okay. And then open your driver management. And you can see please install your driver. This one, DTV system, install your driver. Driver. If your PC is 64-bit, you install this one. Okay. Next. Then install your software. ATSC software. Install, set up, enter. Okay. After you install it, you can see this one. Enter. And you can see the parameter. Please select North America. If I select 611, save. Do again. Full screen. Search menu. (911) 靠北 Enter. Okay, you can see 911. No, 611. Okay. Six one one. Okay. Now, I DIY a CVBS input ATSC modulator box and received by ATSC TV box. It is wireless. Okay. Bye bye.